Okay, so this is a video shows you how to take these snap together hose handles apart on these PN12s, Black Rainbows, any of these handles that have the notches that go around the center for the snap together. Basically, take your two screws out up here is the first thing you're going to do. Then hold this towards you, the pipe towards you, and start on the bottom is the easiest way. We have a butter knife here that we've modified. You can use a wood chisel as well. Basically, you're just sticking that in there and kind of prying a little bit, trying to just push up on the butter knife or whatever tool you're using and pop those off. Flip this over, do this one on the top, do this one back here on the back of the handle, and then you have one in the center down here, which is the last one. Always do that one last. And once you do that, you can just take this apart, and then, you know, maybe when you're doing this, if you're changing your handle, take a picture of this as it is right now with your phone so you can see how everything kind of goes back together. And then when you get your handle all back together and everything in there, this just sets back on here, and you can just start snapping it back together. Put your two screws back in, and everything should be good. If you have any questions or anything, just give us a call. Thank you.